Jojo, I'm in the house in your mouth. Jojo Rose in the house in your mouth, like ooh, ooh.
This might be the last one for today, maybe. To see, it depends on how I feel. But I'm at it with another one. I got another one for y'all. Peace and love. Peace, love, light, healing. Peace to the guys. Peace to the earth. Peace and love to everybody out there. Title of this video is Man Rams California Cop with Stolen Car. He ain't going to get far because he was in a stolen car. All right. Let's see what's going on down here. Remember, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, and let them know Roman's in the house, in your mouth. Romy, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth like, oh, oh. I say, oh, oh, oh. Look, I know they got to follow procedure and do their job, but if you know 3 of y'all just unloaded a whole clip possibly, because it looked like a couple rounds in there, at that close range, you know you hit him. So to open the door and be like, put your hands up, and he's just not moving, you should automatically know, oh, well, you know, we got to, whatever it is, number they call, we got a 1150, we got a 1020, we got a 1030 at night because it's 10 p.m. in the morning. You know what I mean? Like, you know what it is. He's slumped over, not moving. Why would you tell him put your hands up on a slump? You know what I'm saying? Like a pump and dump. That's what we did. We pumped and dumped. And now you slumped. You know what I mean? Like, I guess it's procedure. That's what they got to do. But they unleashed on old boy. So he probably. Wow.
Behold Sarah,
Wow.
a master's student at National University.
Wow.
She's the mid-level employee.
So what that mean is stay away from them apartments in San Diego. That's what that is. Them is them apartments that everybody knows, especially if you in the hood, and if you somewhere you grew up in the hood or around the hood or in California, whatever it is, whatever state you in, everybody know them one apartments. Stay away from, unless you about that life, unless you live there, or unless you serving there, unless you a gangbanger around there. Other than that, don't go around them apartments, man, because it always go down. Something always happening. Somebody always on something. Be careful. You see, even in broad daylight, them apartments ain't safe, and the people that live there is the people it's normal to them. You know what I'm saying? It's normal to them. They just like, hey, man, look, this is where I live. I'm trying to get up out of here, but, you know, I can't. So I'm stuck here. And you just got to be on 10 all the time. You got to always stay on defense. You know what I mean? But especially in a place like that where you just like, look, I know it goes down here. I wouldn't have no friends come there to come pick me up unless they from around there. Because if not, they're probably going to get pressed by somebody, or they going to see drugs being sold or something. It's going to be something going down in that apartment at all times. So just stay away from them apartments, which is unfortunate because I'm sure it's school around there, and I'm sure it's kids that probably got to walk past there every day. I know, I'm just talking, you know what I'm saying, speaking from a kid that grew up in LA and had to do that. I had to walk past, you know what I mean, the projects, you know what I mean? Even though we lived in a house, you know, there's houses all around, but you still in those neighborhoods, it could be houses all over the place, and then you got them one projects, and you just like, man, look, that's old boy got caught up over there yesterday, or old dude just got shot over there yesterday, or they just had a drug bust yesterday, or they just had this, that, and the third. Just stay away from that area. Guaranteed that's that type of spot. So crazy, two times in a row with people on that mess. And I know them apartments got their own name, and people know, oh, I got a call there, something gonna go down. So officers did their job. They did what they had to do. So good for the officers. They protected. That's what they did. That's what they're supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? Dude survived, the other dude didn't. But they protected the people who live there, who have to work around there, who have to go to school around there, who have to come there. They protected them people from having to deal or be, say, attacked or anything like that by those type of people. You know what I mean? So like, comment, subscribe, Call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, and let them know Romy Roma's in the house, in your mouth. Romy Roma in the house, and I'm in your mouth. Like, ooh, ooh. I say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Drop in the comments and let me know what apartments in your neighborhood is the ones you know to stay away from. All right? Peace and love. Peace, love, light, and healing. Y'all be easy.